Welcome to the premises of the Faculty of Mathematics, Physics and Informatics, Community University Bratislava, that is this year hosting the conference that's run within the Cognitive Science program that we have been running for almost 20 years. And this conference gives our students of Cognitive Science great opportunity to present their research.
Students come here to present the research they do in projects in the second semester, but also to present their master thesis. Students do their thesis in different departments, in very different fields in the area of cognitive science, so we provide a really interdisciplinary program with a wide variety of topics of cognitive science. Empirical work, theoretical projects, modeling projects. Usually students very much enjoy presenting to each other, getting feedback from their peers and also socializing outside the academic frame of this conference.
I was thrilled to have the chance to speak at the CogSci conference this year. It was a great opportunity to discuss the role of cognition, both from a human perspective and the robotics perspective.
We are hosting the summer school focused on trustworthy human-robot interaction. During this school, 24 highly motivated students, including PhD students, have had an opportunity to gain hands-on experience regarding the topics of human-robot interaction. This summer school has been organized within the project funded by the European Union with a topic on human-robot interaction, and the purpose of this project is to help the Department of Applied Informatics to improve its research in this AI-related domain, as well as help the staff members to grow professionally and extending their research capacities.
I really liked this summer school. In particular, what I noticed is that it was a very good ground for people coming from different backgrounds to talk together, work together and learn together and exchange their different perspectives. I think it was particularly successful. The TRIS Summer School was actually part of the TERAIS European Twinning Project. At Project C, working together Comenius University in Bratislava, IIT and University of Hamburg on topics related to human awareness, trustworthiness, explainability, to improve our understanding of effective human-robot interaction.
The CogSci joint degree program is a program where students are spending one semester at one of the partner universities and they gain a lot of international experience, and actually the highlight of our program is this international conference where all the students from our partner universities come together to present their research to each other, to their peers, to their teachers.
I think that the topic of cognitive science, as well as interaction between humans and modern technologies, are very important not only for the present world but for the future, because of the rising importance of AI and modern technologies, and that's really a challenge for humans to be able to interact easily with these technologies, which means that we have to advance modern technologies in a way to be better understandable by humans.